What is this guy talking about, man? What? No, wait, when are we on? 2 minutes? Okay, just hold on. I need to finish replying this this stupid message from this awesome fan of mine. Apparently he doesn't believe that I actually clean the shoes from my tutorials. I don't know, he just thinks that I just, cheat and I give it to someone to clean the shoes and then I'm just pretending like I'm actually doing it. Oh my god. I think 2 minutes is up. Do I have time to go to the number 2? And number 2, you don't know what that means? You know, number 1, number 2. Number 2 means you go to the Louvre for the boop boop. No time, we're out. Oh. What is good, YouTube? It's Liam from Sneaker Clinic. Thank you for tuning in to our video. And today we're going to have another awesome sneaker cleaning tutorial. What? I got exposed? Exposed for what, though? Exposed for my cleaning tutorials? There's a video? Who sent you the video? You sent it to me? Okay. He's just dribbling so much. Look at this. He didn't even nutmeg me. Okay, you got me there. Well. This is not going viral. Is it? Are you posting this on my YouTube channel? You're just gonna do me dirty like this. Okay, guys. Why am I wearing the same shirt as... I don't know. This is the only camel shirt I have. Anyways, yeah, King Handles, Joel, whatever, Joe. He's a cool guy. I've known him for a long time on the courts, not personally, but yeah, at that time we were just playing a chill pickup 4-on-4. It was a chill game, you can tell because I was smiling while guarding him. In my mind, I kind of knew he was gonna dribble through my legs, but I didn't want him to, but he got me. I'm pretty sure he's gonna do it through your legs if you ever meet this guy on the basketball court. He's definitely getting older. He's slower than before, but he still works hard for his craft. Just like me, I work hard for my sneaker cleaning. King Handles. I'm gonna have a different nickname for myself. I'm gonna call myself Queen Handles. A little corny. Okay, so is that it? Is this video all about just exposing me? It is. Okay. Wow, that's it, YouTube. That was kind of awkward. I was hoping to do a cleaning tutorial because I wanted to show you to shut up. Okay. I'm just letting my friends know that I didn't get exposed. I'm going to tell them to just not watch that video. And not watch this video, too. Yeah. What? He already posted it everywhere? Instagram, too? How many? He